So hello sir, for today's video, I will install the Ubuntu Linux on a virtual machine or virtual box. And I have already downloaded it on my file manager. This to ito po. Yan. The Ubuntu Linux 16.4.6 yung version niya, and sa virtual box is 7.0.18. Dito ko po siya kinuha. Ito and here. So let's start. So open the Oracle VM VirtualBox and select the new icon, and let's name, pangalanan natin siya ng Ubuntu Linux, and meron ditong choices if magta 32-bit or 64. So I go for 62-bit and then click next. And for the hardware, I follow the recommendation, which is 2048 MB. So click next. And for the virtual hard disk, and yung recommendation niya is 25 gigabytes, so dyan na rin ako pupunta and click next and finish. And then let's click the start button and wait a few minutes. And ito na. So bali dito hinihingi niya po yung kung saan nakalagay yung ating Ubuntu Linux, kung saan natin siya sinave. Pwede naman kayo gumawa ng sariling folder para hindi na kayo malito. Kasi minsan nadi-delete, kaya mas maganda yung merong sariling folder. And ito po, ito yon. And then click open and mount and retrieve. So let's wait again. Ito po ang aking laptop. Yan. So naglo-loading na siya. Ubuntu So ayan. So ito po, pipili po tayo dito ng language, which is may nakalagay ditong how many languages. May Korean, may Dutch, and I choose English syempre. And then meron ditong choices, the try on Ubuntu or install on Ubuntu. So dito tayo pupunta sa install on Ubuntu. And then preparing to install Ubuntu, hindi na po ako pipindot dyan. I go to the continue button. And this computer currently has no detected operating system. What would you like to do? Erase this and install Ubuntu. So, hindi naman po ibig sabihin na sinabing erase this and install Ubuntu is ma-erase na yung Ubuntu na Ubuntu yung link. Yon. So, let's click the install now. And then, I go to continue. This will delete all your programs. Hindi yan. So, I click Manila. Yun na lang. Kasi hindi naman, may madetect na Pangasinan pero hindi siya specific na nandito tayo sa Binalong. Merong Pangasinan na India, ano yun, hindi ko maintindihan din. And then, so, click continue. Tuloy lang. Hihingaan tayo ng pangalan natin. And then, ito na yung username ko, which is Mark. And, maglalagay ako ng password. And then, I just required my password to login para hindi mabusan and ng iba. And then, I click continue. Click on record my password. And, that's it. So, nag-install na siya. Hintayin lang natin ng ilang saglit. Medyo matagal to. So, ipopost ko muna. So, yan. Bale, nire-retrieve yung file niya na. And, mag-wait tayo ulit ng ilang minutes. So, I'll be back. And update sa ating installation, nagki-configuring hardware na siya. And then we wait a few minutes again and I will be back. And that's it. Installation complete. And kailangan daw natin restart yung system. So, let's click the restart now. And please enter. Doon lang talaga napapatagal sa yung copying files, then sa pag-install talagang naabotin ng minuto. Pero patient lang talaga ang kailangan. Ayan, and hinihingi natin ang password yung ginawa natin kanina. So ito yung na-require natin na i-enter natin yung password. Yun yung silbi nun. And then let's enter the password. Wait a few minutes.
Yan. And then, yan na. Ito yung mga applications na pwede natin gamitin. Is, meron tayong search sa computer, files, Firefox, LibreOffice Writer, Windows, ayan. And then, ang alam ko meron ditong, ano na yun? Terminal. Yun yung pinakamaganda daw na gamitin dito. Which is the terminal. And here. And yun lang, sir, yung pag-i-install ng palak ng how to install Ubuntu Linux on a virtual machine on Mac. So, yun lang, sir. And thank you.
So let's proceed for the 3 questions, which is number 1, define what is the system administration. So for me, system administrations as the persons who takes care of all the behind the scene works that keeps our computers or network functioning properly. So yung mga users natin, kung nagfa-function ng mabuti yung mga computers, so mag-work sila without problem. So yun. So number 2 is define what is maintenance. So system maintenance is like giving your computer or our computers a regular up to keep up to keep or how up to keep healthy and prevent problem. So just as you take care of your own health. Ganon. Parang sa sarili mo. Ay, next. Next.
So, number 3, what are the benefits of Ubuntu Linux operating system and system administration and maintenance? So, si Ubuntu Linux is a
Powerful, secure, and user-friendly operating system that simplifies system administration and maintenance. So, from the word itself, user-friendly, madali siyang gamitin or hindi siya ganon kahirap gamitin.
So, yun lang, sir. Thank you.